Hello students, today we are going to deal with biological influences on gender. I am Father Ramiro Luis and I will be taking up this session, Biological Influences. This lecture is going to have its outline as to try to understand the biological influences on gender. We are also going to highlight the role of hormones on human body, and also we are going to assess the impact of hormones on behavior. By the end of this session, you are going to understand what are those biological influences that play a role on our gender. We are also going to learn the roles of hormones and the impact that these hormones have on behavior. Now coming to various influences that we can gather to say that what is it that makes gender identity happen, or what causes gender identity and what causes gender. We can talk about it in biological terms. The existence of human sex chromosome was identified only in 1920s. A lot of research has gone by from then on, and today we are sure of various findings that have come to surface, one of which is hormones. Now we know that hormones are chemical substances within our body that allows our body to express itself in a particular manner. Now we have hormones in our body in varied constitution. We have estrogens and we have androgens, which are present both in males as well as females. Now researchers have done a lot of study on human body and have found that there is a link between the sex hormone levels and certain corresponding behaviors. Now coming to estrogen, which is known to be a female hormone, we know that this is the hormone that is responsible for the development of female physical sex characteristics. So the growth of sex characteristics in a female is resultant of estrogen in the female body. Estrogen also is responsible to regulate the menstrual cycle and also its onset and its conclusion. An example of this particular hormone is estradiol. Coming to the male anatomy, we have androgen that promotes the development of male genitals and the secondary sex characteristics. One of the important androgen that we need to consider is testosterone. Now androgens are produced by the adrenal glands in males. We know that androgens are also present, or testosterone is also present in females through the adrenal glands. And specifically in males, the production of testosterone is through testis. Now the role that testosterone specifically plays in human body is the presence of testosterone results aggression, results sexual behavior. Now, testosterone is typically understood to contribute to the maleness or the masculinity of a human person, although it also responds to behaviors such as competitiveness. Levels of testosterone are also correlated with sexual behavior in boys during sex-related behavior, whereas the presence of testosterone in girls also brings in a gender stereotypic male traits in a girl and behaviors that are different from a typical girl behavior. The difference in testosterone is widely presumed to be a sex difference, that is, one that reflects the maleness and femaleness caused by innate and evolved influences. This leads to characterizations of testosterone as the essence of maleness, which is fixed, which do not change, and are determined by only innate factors. So this is the role that is played by hormones towards the human body, which expresses itself in terms of gender. This definitely is a major biological influence that creates so many changes in our body, which can be explained by the presence of hormones. The references for this section are Baron and Branscom's Social Psychology and Taylor and Peplow Social Psychology. Thank you.